while since I participated in any kind of Halloween shenanigans. I like to say it was because A, I was a little bit of a broke college student, and B, I was trying to, you know, save the planet by restricting my consumption on wasteful Bob Ross Halloween Dolls Kill booty short costumes. I know Halloween can get super wasteful and super expensive at the same time. So today we're going to go on a little adventure to my own personal thrift store, aka my closet. I'm gonna put together costumes that kind of just like resonate with my style, things that I feel like I can easily find in my closet from like characters that have inspired me in the past, all that kind of good stuff, girly vibes, people that I want to be vibes but never dress up as on the daily vibes. Too many vibes. And also share with you guys some like other things that I know you all have in your closets that you can work into some last minute Halloween costumes, or just in case you're looking for like a 10th Halloween costume. If you're one of those people, I don't know how you do it, but good job. Everyone probably has that one section of their closet that is full of new tags things that you were inspired for a second to wear, but then you realize that you are not a movie character and you can't get away with wearing glittery hustler tops out on the regular. So Halloween is the perfect day / month / week to put those pieces to good use. So let's look through this section because I feel like there's some good stuff in there. Ladies, this is the perfect time of year to bust out that thoughty little leopard cheetah. I still don't know the difference. Number that you've been hoarding in your closet. It's a little short. Oh. These are definitely two different animals. Now I see the difference. Don't ask me what I was thinking when I bought this one. Or this. Or this. I feel like this is something Lindsay Lohan would have showed up to the Halloween party in, so. Seriously, the plethora of animal prints that I could find in my wardrobe is a little bit alarming considering I am a human being, not a four-legged furry friend. So Halloween is the perfect time to bust out those pieces. If you're like me and also have an overly concerning amount of plaid mini skirts, be a schoolgirl, be a school teacher, be Britney Spears. Another good piece that you can easily work into like so many different Halloween costumes. It's insane. So first up, we have Freaky Friday. And no, I'm not talking about Chris Brown here. We're talking about the OG Anna Loho back in her prime as a little punk rockster character. I absolutely love this outfit. It's so easy to recreate. I wish I had baggier pants, but these ones kind of fit the job. I didn't want to go out and purchase anything, so I just grunged it up with some accessories, my hot top Converse, and the red and black contrast t-shirt is essential. You can find so many of these at the thrift store, so definitely a very easy one to thrift, and I'm just obsessed with it. 12-year-old Sarah is thriving. So this one is definitely an iconic Halloween costume that you've probably seen been done before. It is Cher from CLUELESS. This is just taking that plaid skirt and elevating it with a plaid blazer. These two obviously aren't matching sets, but again, at the thrift store, you could definitely find some in the matching set section. I just kind of went with the same color scheme here, added some heels. You could definitely do sneakers if you weren't feeling it. And yeah, again, super casual, and I love that you can wear this out on your everyday basis as well, like break the pieces apart. So it is very versatile, very eco-friendly, and very sustainable for your wallet, I guess. Another teenage drama queen, we have Lizzie, who is thriving right now because she is coming back to daytime television / internet television. I've had all these pieces in my wardrobe for an embarrassing long amount of time, and I've just kind of been waiting to bust them out for the right occasion. And Halloween is that occasion because I don't think I could wear this on my day-to-day basis. Here we have another iconic movie character. We have Jenna from 13 Going on 30. I haven't really seen this one been done before, but I think it's also super easy. Just a quick trip to the lingerie section or your lingerie drawer. If it's not getting enough love, this is the occasion to bust out that little slip, that pajama shirt, your sleeping mask, and just a cute little mini bag and some fun heels. I think it is so cute and people are definitely gonna recognize and respect. And lastly, we have Rachel Green, who is super easy to thrift for. She's also super poppin' right now. Shout out to Jennifer Aniston on Instagram. But Rachel and friends like to wear a lot of vests, mini skirts, tights, and this is just a simple last minute throw together kind of lazy costume. I wrote Central Perk on this mug here. You could carry it around. You could also get one of those little apron thingies, but this is as far as I was gonna go with it. So very easy. You all have this in your wardrobes. And lastly, here are just a few extra suggestions, things that you definitely have in your closet. You could be Charlie's Angels, wear a whole black ensemble since the new Charlie's Angels is about to release, but also just kind of modify that same costume and throw on a leather jacket, curl your hair, and do a red lip to be Sandy from Grease. JLo, this iconic all-white ensemble. Elle from Legally Blonde can be done with a simple pink dress, a bag, and get yourself a stuffed little dog. I don't know if you really want to be bringing out your real dog for Halloween, but hey, that's up to you. We also have Kim Possible, who is kind of similar to the Loho look that I did earlier, but you're going to want to find yourself some black mittens and a higher black crop top. And then lastly, Brittany's kind of like an iconic go-to elevated schoolgirl type of look. I just recommend picking up yourself some hot pink pom-poms. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please send me pictures on Instagram of what you end up being, especially if you choose any of the outfits in this video. And I hope you all have a lovely and safe Halloween. See you in the next one.